Hi everybody, my name is Tanya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. And I'm so excited because in today's video, I'm going to show you how I organize and store important papers. Important papers like life insurance information, birth certificates, social security cards. You're in my bedroom, and what I do is I actually keep a safe with important papers in it. And if you look on the floor there, you'll see a little small safe. It's a Century safe. And if you like this, I will put the link down below. And I like this safe because it is actually fireproof. So the documents that I put in here, hopefully there's never a fire, but if there is, hopefully it will protect the documents in here. And I also like the size because it allows you to hang file folders in this type of size. And I like too that there's a key lock on this. So let's open this up and let me show you what I have here. So real quickly, I'm gonna just go through what I have in the safe. Here I printed out like a whole life insurance policy and just like kind of stuck it in the front. Here I have a folder where our wills are in this folder. Here's a folder with some life insurance information in it. Over here I have a folder for my daughter's college plan, her 529 plan that we're saving for. Over here I have a folder with a couple of old savings bonds in that folder. And here I have a folder with our social security cards. We don't carry social security cards in our wallet. We keep them in this folder here. I also have a folder for voter registration. This folder really comes in handy when it's time to vote. We just come here, get the voter registration card, and go. And we just make sure we put it back after we vote. In this folder is our marriage certificate. There's only one piece of paper in that folder, and that is our marriage certificate. Here is a folder on, we have a critical illness and accident insurance policy that's kept there. Here we have a folder on death certificates. Unfortunately, both of my husband's parents are deceased, and we had to obtain death certificates in order to collect life insurance information and handle other business for them. So we keep those there. Here's another folder on life insurance, another folder on some life insurance. And this folder is very important to me too. We use it often. This folder has our birth certificates in here for the whole family. And I'm very adamant about when someone takes a birth certificate out to make sure they put it back. Most of the time I handle this type of thing for the family, but if I'm not home, let's say I'm at work, I like that our important documents are here because my husband can easily come here and get the information that he needs. So the birth certificates, I'm just very funny about them, just making sure they put them back. There's another folder on life insurance. I have a folder here for jewelry insurance. I have jewelry insurance on a couple of rings I have. This is my son's folder. He bought some stock from work while he was on a particular job, and I just keep it for him because I'm a little more organized than he is. Here is a folder on my husband's sheriff's certificate. When he was sworn in, we keep that right there. This folder we kind of use sometimes. This folder shows the titles to our vehicles. Thank God our vehicles are paid off, and we keep the car titles here. This folder has adoption paperwork that we keep here. And in the last folder here is my daughter's medical records. And in this folder, I keep her immunization record. Because a lot of times, because she is still at school age, people require proof of her immunization. So I just keep them here so that I can always get my hands on them. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment below on how you store your important papers. If you have a safe, or I imagine some people probably have a planner just for this type of stuff. Some people may do that, but I choose to keep mine in a safe like this. So thank you so much for watching.